guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be opening this Play-Doh kit, and it is called Sparkle Collection Play-Doh Kit. And it comes with 6 different types of Play-Doh. With pink, blue, purple, teal, dark purple, and green. Let's open it. Wow, I see our Play-Doh. We got the purple, it's glittery. The pink Play-Doh and a note. And some blue Play-Doh, teal Play-Doh, more purple, and green. I have a lot of shapes. Here I have very much. Hey guys, I found a really nice strawberry shape. I'm gonna use it to make a strawberry. Now let's open my pink. You guys got it open. Now let's take it out. I'm gonna take this much of our pink Play-Doh. Now I'm gonna press it in here and leave it like that. And open the green while we're waiting. 1, 2, 3, surprise! Wow! Let's now push the shape after I open the green and take the Play-Doh around it. Wow, guys, it's a strawberry. Wow, so cool, guys. Look at that. Let's make something with our blue. It is a dark blue. But first we have to close our green. Let's put our strawberry right there. So let's see what I can make with blue. Now, what is this? It's a train, guys. It has blue on it. I'm gonna make this train this blue. I'm gonna make the other train down here this blue. Let's put them right there and put our caps here. And let's open the blue. I'm gonna do this one. We got it open, guys. Now, let's take some. Roll it into a ball and put it here. Let's take some more. There, guys, it's full. So now I'm gonna put another layer to make it a bit easy to get out. Wow, guys, it's a choo-choo train. Now let's close it and put our little choo-choo train over there. And get this blue so we can make the under one. It's a 2-sided train where it has like a bunch of rooms and it's connected like that. Let's make it this color. This color is teal and I can see it's glittery. So let's open it. Ta-da! I got it open, guys. Now let's take some of it out and put it here. It did put a bit too much, but that's okay. We can easily take it off like that. Let's take out our train. Now guys, look at this. So cool. We didn't make anything with this, or this. So let's, wait, I did make something with this, but we didn't make anything with these. So let's use that. So let's see. Ooh, let's make a cat. And I'm gonna make this cat this color. And for the purple, I'm gonna make an Easter egg. It will be this purple. So let's put this at the side here and open our purple. Let's get it out. Let's get a lot of it out in case, oh, I took all of it out, guys, see? So now, let's roll it into a ball so we can roll it with my roller. Put it right there. Let's move our choo-choo trains and our strawberry to have a bit more space. Okay, now it's time to roll it. Roll it. And all done, guys. Now we're gonna put the Easter egg shape right here in the middle. And we're gonna take the rest and do like this. Peel it. Whoa, guys, look at that Easter egg. Let's take it off. Wow, it's such a pretty Easter egg. I love it so much. Wow. It has lines on it. Let's put our little Easter egg right here. And let's make a cat now with our other one. Our cat. And this is our base. It is a pinkish purple. It's kind of more like pink. Here, let's open it. Wow, guys. Magic. That actually works. When I did this. Let's take it out. It's really easy to take out, guys. I think that's enough to take out. Now let's shape it into a ball. Wow. Now let's roll it with my yellow roller. This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Good job, guys. Now let's roll it. La la la. I love Play-Doh. Do you guys love Play-Doh? Okay, all done. Now let's put the cat. This is how to spell cat, guys. C-A-T. Cat. Can you say C-A-T? Cat. Good job, guys. You're really good. Oh no, guys, it's ruined, but it's okay. We can do that again. Look at the cat, guys. Do you like it? Oh, thank you. It's really nice. Okay, guys, let's show all of our shapes. Which one is your favorite, guys? I really like the strawberry. And what's your favorite color, guys? Mine is green. I love these. Oh, you like that color? Oh, that's a really nice color. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and give a like.